Hey bestie, welcome back to SD Lifestyle once again. Today we are making delicious yummy milky snack. Stay tuned and watch this video to an end. So these are my ingredients for today's snack.
I stepped outside so that I could get high out in the smoking section.
Firstly, we pour a clean water into a saucepan. On the fire, add some little amount of salt to it. Heat the water for 5 minutes.
Say that it's time that I change, but is it really worth it? I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why. I still get surprised when people that I admire die.
While the water is on fire, we have to mix the ingredients. So this is the flour. We pour it in a clean Paris bowl. Add our sugar, milky powder, and stir them together.
My friends are here, now I'm starting to fear that maybe I'm not protected. I used to be like the ones here with me, but now my eyes are open. I've given up, but now I don't give a fuck, now that the people have spoken.
After 5 minutes, we take off the water on the fire and add it to the flour little by little while stirring them together.
I still get surprised when people that I admire die. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why. I still get surprised when people that I admire die. I think that I should stop amusing myself. I think that I should start to think of.
After mixing all the ingredients together, we cover it and put it aside to rise for about 1 to 2 hours. We on the fire, put a frying pan on it, leave it to heat and pour some amount of oil inside. Now it's time to fry our milky delicious snack, so we fry it in the heated oil.
I admire die. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why. I still get surprised when people.
If you want a nice shape, you can ram it before you fry it, but I just want an easy and simple shape.
To a brand new horizon, where the colors all blend like a friendly hello from beyond. In the
Whilst frying it, make sure you turn the other side to fry it very well. Make sure it brings out the golden color.
away, can they wait for me when I am gone? I'm on my way back to you, just like you wanted me to. I stayed away I'm taking the time I need to say just what I should have said that day. But this old heart of mine kinda broke itself.
Do you know that this milky snack has unhealthy benefits? Yes, because of the flour and the ingredients. The flour used to make this snack contain fiber, which aids digestion and promotes satiety, also rich in fiber. So it's good to take the snack every morning.
I keep trying to stay like the man I know I should be, but this place and these folks always poking their nose in your business. It's enough to drive anyone out of their mind, even me. The streets are all empty here tonight. I won't waste any more time. Maybe I should have saved these words for someone else. I'm taking the timeline.
It's also a extremely satisfying snack. You can take it with any juice or any breakfast drink like cocoa or coffee.
Itself. All the photos in a frame telling me that I'm to blame. How I wish things had stayed the same with you. Time is slowly moving on. Some have stayed and some have gone. How I wish things had stayed the same with you. I'm on my way back to you.
After making this extremely satisfying snack, I have to wash my dishes and tidy up the place.
Get some help. I'm taking the time I need to say just what I should have said that day. But this old heart of mine kinda broke itself. Yeah, this old heart of mine finally broke itself. Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never reply. They home gone, am I late? Did I miss the invite? Maybe it's me, I can't tell, 'cause I ran out of time. Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never reply. Where did you go? Was that you that just drove past the house? And is it me that they're laughing at when I step out? Maybe I'm paranoid, feels like I let everyone down. It feels like everybody's thinking I'm a nobody now. I had to write myself a letter just to know it get read. I drink myself back to life to make sure I ain't dead. But I ain't dead yet. Is there a number to call? Is there a place I can hide? Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never reply.
The snack is ready to serve. Upon all the stress that we pass through, it's ready to taste. So I tasted this snack and it was so yummy, satisfying, delicious, and great. You can take it with any beverages of your choice. Thank you for watching SD Lifestyle.